Are you ready to live your best life? This here is the property where you can do just that. Host amazing parties, gather with friends. There will be no lack of smiles or space. With over 2,100 square feet, this home is a showstopper, with a dining room big enough for a double table. But what's even better is the primary bedroom, where you got your own patio doors, surround sound, bathroom with in-floor heating, and a shower big enough that you could host your own party in it. Now, we're going to head down to the basement, where you can enjoy this sprawling space and get a little bit better at your game of ping pong while you're at it. With 2 more bedrooms and ample storage space, this basement is quite amazing. But let's go check out that backyard, because this is where you're going to spend all of your time. We've got a pool, bar, pool house, lounging areas, basketball courts, volleyball courts, and don't forget, we also have an amazing fireplace. Barbecue up a storm, host your friends. There's going to be no lack of smiles coming around your home.